Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a Google Drive folder using Zapier. This automation is incredibly useful when you need to automatically generate folders for new form responses, client submissions, or project requests, and instantly make them shareable without any manual work. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Zapier.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. You'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all your automation magic happens. Now click the Zap button to start building your new automation. This is where you'll connect Google Forms to Google Drive and set up the folder creation and sharing workflow. Next, click the Trigger button. This is the event that will kick off your automation. In the search bar, type in and select Google Forms. You'll then need to choose a trigger event such as New Form Response. This means every time someone submits your form, the automation will run. Connect your Google Forms account by following the prompts, then click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to test the trigger. Click Test Trigger to pull in sample data from one of your recent form responses. This ensures Zapier can see the information coming through. Once the test is successful, click Continue to move forward. Click the Action button, then search for and select Google Drive. This is where you'll tell Zapier what to do with the form data. Choose an action event such as Create Folder. If you haven't already linked your Google account to Google Drive, you'll be prompted to do so now. This connection allows Zapier to create folders on your behalf. In the Setup Action section, you'll configure your folder details. Type a folder name in the field. Here's where it gets powerful. You can insert dynamic data from your trigger, like client name or project title, by clicking the field and selecting the corresponding form response data. This means each folder will be uniquely named based on the form submission. Next, select the drive and parent folder where you want this new folder to be created, then click Continue. Click Test Action to create a real test folder in your drive. It's important to verify that it appears exactly where you intended it to be. Once you've confirmed it's working correctly, click Continue. Now you'll add another action to handle the sharing settings. Click the plus button to add a new action step. Search for and select Google Drive again. This time, choose Add File Sharing Preference as the action event. Connect or sign in to your Google Drive account if prompted, then click Continue to proceed. In the Setup Action section, click the three dots next to File ID, select Custom Value, and insert Folder ID from the previous Create Folder step. This tells Zapier which folder to apply sharing settings to. Set sharing preference to anyone with the link can edit or choose whatever permission level suits your needs. Then click Continue. Click Test Action to apply the sharing settings. It's a good idea to check that the folder link works and has the correct permissions. Once everything looks good, click Publish to turn on your Zap. Your automation is now live and will create and share folders automatically whenever a new form is submitted. And that's it. You've successfully automated folder creation and sharing in Google Drive using Zapier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.